Hey Stampin' friends, welcome to the Joy Stamp with Rachel. I'm Rachael Coon and today is our Wonderful Wednesday. Today I have amazing swaps using the, I'm going to say it wrong so make sure I look at it, the Framed Florets Stamp Set Collection that just came out early November. I have about 20 cards I want to show to you that are stamped by amazing Stampin' Up leaders. I'm going to hold my flip and I'll start sharing. All right, first let's talk about this Wonderful Wednesday just a little bit. Oops, as I push the cards into view. So sorry. All right, first, when you order from me on a Wednesday in the month of November using the hostess code, let me show that to you so you can see it too, then I will send you the wonderful snowflakes. These are beautiful. It's a pack of die cut out snowflakes in like this iridescent shine, and that's why it's super shiny. I mean, it has the cover still on it, but they're just beautiful. And if you've ever die cut snowflakes before, you know what a tedious thing it is, and so to have them already cut for you is amazing. So that's my gift to you this month when you order from my online store using that hostess code. All right, let me talk to you a little bit about this stamp set and dies. That's part of a collection. There's a little glare. Let me hold it there for, okay. So just last week, this was released as an early release product. The Framed Florets stamp set and dies are going to carry over into the mini catalog coming out in January. But they paired it also with 3 other items that are part of this amazing early release promotion. One is these beautiful embellishments. Let me get closer. You'll see them. There we go. These ones are called the Gold Adhesive Back Swirls. They are just gorgeous, and you'll see a lot of these on the swaps today. And also some designer series paper and a Christmas set called Framed and Festive. And those sets go along with the Stampin' Up dies. So you can buy a little bit or all of it, so it would be the whole collection. But these ones will carry over, the frames and the dies and the stamp set, this one. The other ones will not. So let me show you these dies real quick. They're just super amazing. A lot of them will do the outline of our stamped images here. This guy there. And then they have these bonus frames. We have one more sheet of dies to show you. There we go. So it has 3 different oval shape frames, and you'll see in these swaps how they can cluster together and create these beautiful, beautiful layers. All right, let me go ahead and grab those and get started. I'm going to start with the Christmas ones first because those are the part of the ones that will not be available in the new year. And this is a beautiful made by Janice Waitman. She has this, she's used the frames here, the die cut of the, or the saying right there, and these awesome little sprigs. I love her choice of that designer series paper, which is called the Fitting Florets designer series paper. It's a 12 by 12. She did go ahead and stamp the inside as well with the cute little sprigs there. Love that one, Janice. I'm going to keep them all on, these ones all in view so you'll see them all together too. Just for a hot minute. This one's made by Tina, I'm going to say it wrong, Repi. She made this beautiful, beautiful, where she's die cut, stamped, then die cut, and then used her stamping blends to color this image here. She has that framing we talked about. And for the cool part about this one, the designer series paper, these little berries are actually a white color. So she went ahead with her stamping blends to make it match and colored those in. I thought that was super, super creative. Let's see what her inside, oh, she carried it on. And she even has the Merry Christmas with that beautiful floral set there. And that floral one was actually part of this one, and she made it look like Christmas. So I love that, kind of like a poinsettia look there. All right, I have just 3 more Christmas. This one is made by Joey Hartman, and she has this beautiful layering here. She has some glimmer paper, and she's used the rhinestones on the end of that for that die. She has that oval cut out with a saying there. She used that designer series paper. I love her use of this right here. It's just a piece. I want to say that's probably the basic border dies. I'm guessing, and I just love how it creates like, it's kind of like a little lace scallop there that gives you a little division from the top designer series paper to the bottom designer series paper. Beautiful, beautiful card. And two more. Let me show you. This one is a fun fold made by Margaret Toddley. Her friends call her Peggy, though. Let me show you this one. I am loving the gold embossing on the red. I think that just looks so classy. She has that Merry Christmas from all of us on the bottom, and that's main saying right here. It is a fun fold, so it does open up as a two-step, that's what it's usually called, right here where she has it, and then it opens up to a full one here. This would be a really fun fold to teach you guys too. Again, she colored in her berries, so that way they're not the white, they have that red color there instead. Love, love that one. And one more is a mystery stamper. I'm trying to figure out who the stamper for this one is. Either the paper that she had with it had fallen out, or she forgot to put her name on this one. But I'm loving, look at that. It looks like a mirror, you know, like I have the framings around mirrors sometimes. I think she used, oh, I'll have to find out. This is why I need to reach out to her and figure out who she is. But I think this is a special type of designer series paper that's like a vellum almost. And that's that gold brush look to it. So it's a little bit thinner, but it is this great, great texture. This is also a fun fold. It opens up here, and you'll see there's a score line right here. So we know that this is, in fact, an easel one as well. So we should be able to, see if I lay it down. There we go. Pop it open using those little Christmas trees she die cut out as well. Love, love the way that one looked. All right, so those are all those Christmas ones. These stamped images are only available until the end of December, when this promotion of this product is no longer available, or while supplies last. All right, let's go ahead with the next ones. We have a lot of birthday cards for this one, which is super fun. Let's go ahead and start with this fun fold made by Megan Hurst. She has the wishes for a beautiful birthday here, and it has it so it can go nicely into an envelope. She's fussy cut, I believe, unless that uses a die. I'll have to double check if that fits a die or not. But that's designer series paper, so that's awesome. She didn't have to worry about coloring all that in. It was already pre-colored for her. There's those beautiful embellishments right there. It says wishes for a beautiful birthday, and it opens up to have this fun fold here inside. That great use of the designer series paper on the bottom, and her stamping in the inside. Love, love that one. We'll set that one aside. Our next one is made by Rachael. I might say her last name wrong, so I apologize. Truant? I think that's how you say it. She made this beautiful card with the framing. She used the white on white. So we have that basic white circle or oval in the center, along with the framing. There's that beautiful embellishment. She did go ahead and stamp and then color with her stamping blends this part here. And these are actually pre-colored, so she didn't have to worry about coloring those little berries there. That is the color for that one. That one looks great too. This one is made by Leanne Dreff. Again, all these will be over on my blog, so if I'm going too fast or if you want to see one a little bit longer, please make sure you visit over there so you'll get the name of the stamper and a closer look. But this is beautiful. She's used the black for the center for this one, where she then has used white embossing powder for the same wishes for a beautiful birthday. She has a softer color, so I think that's like more of a balmy blue that she's used. This one is a fun fold, so it opens up like that and says on the inside, for a special person on a special day. Love that greeting there. Our next one is made by Heather Guerrero. And she's made this beautiful, beautifully layered card. She has some great layers here between the gold foil, cardstock, and vellum. She's stamped and die cut that out. She has our cute little embellishment here, the added texture for this one, the two different colors of inside, outside for the framing, and then it's a little bit of a fun fold here as the designer series paper is both inside and outside for this one, and the stamping inside. Great, great card there. Let's go on to this next one is made by Chris Wendell, and I am loving her use of this clustering right here. She did a beautiful job with this silver cord. She has designer series paper with designer series paper to create a nice little border at the bottom. And that oval here where she has the larger inside, but she's able to space it down here below and fill that space with the stuff images above. So love the way that one turned out as well. Couple more. This one's made by Michelle Hornback. A fun fold where she's using the oval as the piece that goes over to the front. It does open up like that and says celebrate. Love that one. This one's made by Susan Elise Morton from Virginia. And she has another fun fold. So I'm loving all this. This is a gate fold. So it opens up on both sides like a gate. And she went ahead and had another oval in the inside to kind of carry over that theme there. That looks awesome. Love that one. All right, we're almost full on our spot here. Let me go ahead and clear it and we'll get ready for all the next ones coming through. This one is made by Amy Rich. She's also made this beautiful fun fold, which I did something very similar to this. So if you go into YouTube, you can see my video that has a belly band, it has a circle image, and then it has this folded over this way. Let me show you though. So we'll slide the belly band off, and then we'll open it up to see our saying inside for a special person on a special day. So again, that happy birthday greeting. Love that one. This is made by Natalie Travis. She's made what's what I like to call a book side right here because this part's glued down. And so we have a smaller inside than outside. I want to call it a book spine. Great job on her layering of her saying with the frame there. And I love that she has the colored in the inside for that one. And added the cute little pearl for that flower. This is made by Peggy Merwin. She's now included the one that we haven't seen too much of. It's that heart one. So it's a heart oval that kind of just shapes around this center part here. And it's not actually, it's more of a, it doesn't die cut out an oval except for the center of it. But it does make the cute little hearts right there. Let me get closer so you can see. Great texture. I like how she has the flower on top and bottom of the oval here. And look at those embellishments. Just gorgeous. Love that one. This is made by Dina Rachael. Same, similar layout to this one. Different colors, different flower bunches there that she's used, and a different embellishment. And I love that you can see that this one has white and pink and white. This one has the gray, pink, white, and then the pink coming through the hearts. So that's beautiful. She did use some Wink of Stella too, which I have to see if I can't catch that in the, a little bit there on those flowers. So in person, this one is just stunning. The next one's made by Betty Weisberg. And this is a fun fold as well, where it has that oval as our center. And you can see it's kind of already hopping here. We can open it up. It has another saying. So she has the for a special person on a special day first, which is for a beautiful birthday in the inside, and a cute little gift card holder there. So if we wanted to, we could put a little gift card in this little pocket. Super, super cute card there. This one's made by Sue Kempler Miller, and she's made a fun fold. I love her use of very limited white. So this colored front is very much just colors. I love the little parts here that have been cut out as well. And she did put Wink of Stella on our DSP on the berries, so those would even match the berries she made for that part as well. And then the inside, she has the oval. So that's where we can write our special message to our special friend. Love that one. Only two more. This one is made by Rose Ward. And again, she's used that beautiful heart oval shaping here, that framing. But then she has designer series paper, and then she's popped up her saying in the center. I love this one. I love that the designer series paper is just right behind it, so we can still see it. A lot of times it kind of gets hidden, but this way we can see it through the hearts and through that nice giant oval space there. Let's see if she has anything in the inside. Oh, and she does. So it continues saying, wishes for a beautiful birthday with those two leaves there. Beautiful card. The last one is made by Karen Titus. This is also a fun fold. There's no saying on the front. So I like that it's very generic when you first look at it, or it could be used for multiple things. She did some great framing. She did somehow, Ooh, I wonder how she did that. She had cut out this oval shape here to create another oval shape. Let me go ahead and open it up. And that's where her saying is. So just a little reminder that you are loved. And this one will fold down right here to pop up. It's like a triangle easel card or a pyramid easel card. You can kind of see how that goes like that. And I just love this. It's a little bit smaller. It's not as big as a, excuse me. Excuse me. A tickle in my throat. But I just love the way that one turned out. Let me get all the cards back in real quick. Excuse me. They are just amazing. Again, visit them. See them closer on my blog in the description below if you're watching this on Facebook or on YouTube. You should be able to hop on over. And then on my blog are the links to how you can order either the whole collection or just bits and pieces of it. I hope you guys have had a good time being inspired by these. I know when a new set comes out, sometimes it's hard to think of an idea of what to make of it. And swapping is a great way to gather ideas and share them with others. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my wonderful Wednesday today and have a great day. Happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.